Hello guys, this is Nitin Power. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about how you can create your SQL database. So first of all, log into your Azure portal, search for SQL database, either SQL. You'll get that SQL database, click over there. Here you can say that create a SQL database. You have to provide your subscription and resource group. Then you need to provide your database name and server. Suppose you don't have the server, you can create the new server also based on the name. So I'll give the database name. So it's passed. Now create the server for that. So for that I need to provide the server name and the location. So this is my server name, East US. In authentication method, I want to provide the username and password. So I'll use SQL authentication. So I need to provide the username and the password. So I'll say that it's a user and password would be, I'll paste the password. Once you provide all the details for the server, you click OK. Now you can see that your server has been created. Okay. So here below you can see that compute operation is there, compute plus storage. So here you can configure your database. So for this purpose, if I go here under hardware, I can change the configuration of my server. You can see that standard series, FS series, D series. Based on your requirement, you can change the series. So on the service tier, what I will do, I will use the standard one. So for wireless with difficult performance. So here additives are 10 and the max size in GB is 250 GB. I said apply. So my compute plus storage is change. Now I'll say go to networking. So connectivity method, I'll click on the public endpoint. If you want, you can provide the private endpoint also. So I'm using the default one. Next security. If you want to enable the Microsoft Defender, you can do that. Now click on additional setting and just check whether all the details are there. Now click on review plus create. So it will give you the estimate cost per month. Then go down and click on create. So it will validate it and you can see that my deployment is initialized. Now here you can see that deployment is in progress. So once this deployment is completed, I will show you again. Now you can see that the deployment is complete. Now you can click on go to the resource. So here you can see that your SQL database is created. So go to your query editor, provide your server name which you have provided at that time, like that username and the password. So I'll provide my password, click on the OK. So you can see that my IP is not added to this. So what I will say, I'll say allow IP, so that that IP will add it to that firewall rules. Now if I again clicked on the OK, now I'm able to view the query editor. So I want to create a user with a password. This. So if I run this, you can see that query succeeded. So once you created a username with that password, now what I want to do, I want to add this user to my data reader rule. So what I will do, I will add this user one to my. So if I run this, you set affected row. Now if you want to save this query, you can save it. Save query. So the query will get saved anywhere you want it. So this way you can create a user with a different password and add the role to that particular user in your SQL database.